Hi, today we will discuss about in this video about the anxiety. So the anxiety is throughout the worldwide is increasing day by day. Why? Because the stress and some fear is occurring more for job as well as the other family problems and other family situation. So the feel basically is the anxiety is a feeling of worry and nervousness or unease about something with an uncertain uh, uncertain outcomes which that is occurring. So the anxiety, we how to fix this anxiety, so we will discuss in the next video about how to fix naturally. So first of all, in this video we will just understand about how is occurring the anxiety and why it is the causes of anxiety. So important thing is that the job problem, which that is for example the a young person who are not getting the job, so that is the anxiety. And on the other hand, if the person will front on the audience, so he can be nervous and something or some problems can be occurring. But this anxiety will lead to increase the sympathetic nervous system. Sympathetic nervous system is basically the destructive nervous system, destructive process basically, which that release the cortisol hormone and decrease the growth hormone. It means you will not sleep too much, as well as other problem will be occur, as fight and flight response will be occur due to the cortisol hormone. And the cortisol hormone is very destructive and destruct your system, basically is your tissue, and damage your heart and cause the coronary artery disease and heartbeat, irregulation of heartbeat, and the arrhythmia can be occur, and the fast heartbeat or slow heartbeat, which that is due to the anxiety. And high blood pressure with a long term anxiety can be occur. So that how to understand the anxiety, basically the anxiety when occurring, so you feel the energy less person, but your energy will require more for compete with the anxiety. For example, the sympathetic nervous system, which that stimulate the more ATP. But in the case of the brain, which that is affected by that increasing of the ATP, and the inflammation can be occur, and the immune system will be decreased. Why? Because the immune system requires the growth hormone as well as the other factors. So this other factor is the instructive nervous system is known as the parasympathetic nervous system. So the graph of the parasympathetic nervous system will be decreased, while the increase of the sympathetic nervous system will lead to cause a many disease. So these things we should need to understand first. And first of all, I want to share that things, basically the sympathetic nervous system, how to decrease the sympathetic nervous system. So the calm down and don't fear and don't depress. So the physical environment, for example the outer environment, which cause the stimulus for increasing the stress in your mind, so that cause the anxiety. For example, a job problem throughout the world is more controversial problem in this time. So how to prepare and how to go without anxiety, so it is depend on you. For example, you will forget about the fear jobs or family problems, but fix that. So that's responsibility for fixing that problem. So that means your responsibility to fix. So fix of that problem is important for you. So how to fix? uh, uh, Due to the increase of the parasympathetic nervous system, which that is due to the exercise and increasing the feeling of happiness. And how to increase the happiness we will discuss in the next video. So this is basically is the anxiety, and I had explained about the anxiety processes, how to increase the anxiety. So that is important. So I hope you are getting these things, and I will make a video about the anxiety in the next time. So keep watching, and please make sure to subscribe my channel and share the content to another for getting more views, as well as for getting more and more anxiety less community. I am developing the anxiety less community in this time. So that is why it is the talking to each other is very important, and we will talk those person who are suffering the anxiety, and please comment below, and we will talk together and how to fix it. So that is the problem, and that is the major reason, and how to fix it, and how to fix, and how to be happy throughout the day. So that is important things we will discuss in the another video I will make. So in this time here is I am ending. So bye.